Kia ora te whānau, Danny Faifai here from the Koi Boys. I'm sitting here in my living room in Australia thinking about a whānau far and wide and hoping that everyone is taking care of each other at this crazy time. It's one of those times. I know we're all in lockdown and New Zealand's been in lockdown for the past couple of weeks, and we haven't reached that stage yet here in Australia as far as everything being shut down. But who knows what's to happen in the days to come. So it's been humbling to be approached to send out a message of love and hope. But I do this with love in my heart and to say take care of each other. And I use this time to realize what's really important to you in your life and the people that are in your life, and making time for them. So this song I'm about to sing is a song about looking after our mothers, but you can extend that into, looking after each other. And I want to leave you with a scripture. I don't know if anyone out there, if a lot of you believe in the Lord, but I do. So I want to leave you with Psalms 91. When you get a chance, read that. Psalms 91. Psalms 91. And read that over and over and comfort yourselves. And know that there's a bigger God than this blinking thing we're under at the moment. So here's a song. Ooh, you know this one too. So help me out and sing along. Oh, Mum, I love you. Yes, I do. Please wait for me, Mum. I'll be home very soon. I never knew just how much you mean to me till now. You're so many miles away across the sea. Only God knows where or when we'll meet again to hold you in my arms once more, to hear your voice and to see your smile. God, please do keep my mom. Much love. God bless you all. Hopefully we'll see each other again and hug each other.